As we go deeper into what makes the 2026 Honda CRF 750L truly special, one thing becomes very clear. Honda is aiming for balance rather than extremes. This is not a bike built only for hardcore off-road riders, and it's not just another highway-focused adventure tourer. Instead, the CRF 750L appears designed for riders who want one motorcycle that can confidently handle daily commuting, long weekend tours, and serious off-road exploration without compromise. That philosophy is something Honda has perfected over decades, and this model looks like the next evolution of that mindset. Let's talk more about real-world performance. Thanks to its parallel twin-engine layout, the CRF 750L delivers smoother power delivery compared to single-cylinder dual-sport bikes. This means less vibration on long rides and more comfort at sustained highway speeds. At the same time, the engine tuning reportedly focuses on usable torque rather than just peak horsepower. This makes a huge difference when riding off-road, where smooth throttle response and controllable power are far more important than raw speed. Riders can expect confident acceleration out of corners, steady climbing ability on loose terrain, and stress-free cruising on open roads. Another strong point of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is braking and control. With dual-disc brakes up front and a single disc at the rear, paired with advanced ABS systems, the bike is expected to deliver reliable stopping power across multiple surfaces. Honda is also likely to include switchable ABS modes, allowing riders to disable rear ABS for off-road riding. This is a feature adventure riders truly appreciate, as it allows more control when descending steep dirt trails or navigating technical terrain. Comfort is another area where the CRF 750L seems to shine. The seat height is expected to be adventure-friendly but not intimidating, making the bike accessible to a wider range of riders. The seat itself appears well padded for long hours in the saddle, while the upright riding posture helps reduce strain on the wrists, shoulders, and lower back. Wind protection from the front fairing and windscreen may not be massive, but it looks well designed to reduce fatigue during long highway stretches without sacrificing off-road visibility. Honda's reputation for reliability also plays a major role in the CRF 750L's appeal. Many adventure riders travel far from cities, dealerships, and repair shops. Knowing that your motorcycle is built with Honda's legendary durability gives riders peace of mind when exploring remote areas. This reliability factor alone could be a deciding point for riders choosing between the CRF 750L and more aggressive but maintenance-heavy competitors from Europe. From a global perspective, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L could become extremely popular in markets like Asia, Africa, South America, and the Middle East. Regions where road conditions vary greatly and riders demand tough, dependable machines. Its combination of modern technology, manageable weight, and rugged design makes it suitable for everything from city streets to mountain trails and desert highways. Accessories and customization will likely play a huge role in this bike's success. Honda is expected to offer factory accessories such as panniers, crash bars, skid plates, auxiliary lights, taller windscreens, and heated grips. This allows riders to personalize the CRF 750L according to their riding style, whether that's long-distance touring, off-road adventure, or everyday commuting. Aftermarket support will also be strong, making this bike a long-term investment rather than a short-term thrill. When you step back and look at the bigger picture, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L feels like a response to what riders have been asking for, a middleweight adventure bike that is powerful but not overwhelming, advanced but not complicated, and tough without being uncomfortable. It bridges the gap between lightweight dual sports and heavy adventure tourers, offering a versatile solution for modern riders who want freedom without limits. So whether you're planning cross-country trips, exploring dirt roads on the weekends, or simply want a motorcycle that can do it all, the Honda CRF 750L deserves your attention. It represents Honda's commitment to innovation, practicality, and real-world usability, values that adventure riders truly care about. If you enjoyed this extended deep dive into the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Bike Blaze Pro for more detailed motorcycle reviews, upcoming bike news, and adventure content. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the CRF 750L over the Yamaha Tenere 700 or KTM Adventure Series? Until next time, keep riding, keep exploring, and keep the fire alive on Bike Blaze Pro.